Hey guys, welcome to Success Corner. Hope your studies are going all right. So, following your request, today we'll be discussing the AFMC TOELA test sample paper so that you can better perform in the TOELA test and know how questions are generally asked in the TOELA test कि आप टाइम कैसे इसमें मैनेज कर सकते हैं और इनको अटेम्प्ट कैसे करना है और लॉजिक और रीजनिंग और मैथमेटिक्स में कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. So we'll be discussing the sample paper today. Before that, I have another announcement to make that we'll be starting biology MCQs as well, daily MCQs for biology as well, or that will be uploaded at around 5:30 daily from tomorrow. So stay tuned for that also. And another is that after this video, I'll be uploading the psychological assessment test. How is it taken? What do you expect from that? And following that video, I'll post another sample paper on how psychological assessment test, उसमें कैसे कैसे questions होते हैं. I'll be posting a sample paper for that also so that you are prepared when you come here. आपको जैसे मैंने पिछले वीडियो में बताया था, if you have not seen that video, you see that and then come on this. I'll share the link in the description. So it is distributed into various sections. So first section is English language and comprehension. So we'll discuss about 15 questions from this section. This is a paragraph which will be given to you, and the directions for this is that from question 1 to question 5 are based on this paragraph only. Okay, so you have to read this paragraph very properly और इसी में से आपको आगे questions पूछे जाएंगे. So take your time, pause your video here, read the paragraph and then we'll move on. Then play the video again. So the first question here is, war is the negation of truth. Means this sentence was in the paragraph. You go to the paragraph again if you have not read it and then attempt this. Okay, war is the negation of truth means. So the correct answer for this is war spreads and advertise falsehood. Okay, the correct answer for this sentence is war spreads and advertise falsehood. The world's declared love for humanity is. The correct answer is A, not to be taken seriously. Third question is, according to the author, that is author of the paragraph, the achievements of the world are not impressive because. These are the four options and the correct option here is its love of humanity is a pretense. Okay, this all answers you will get in the paragraph if you read the paragraph good properly. Next, hatred and aversions are unwholesome as they are. Okay, these are the four options. I'll give the answer. You pause it if you want to take time. The correct answer is D, barriers in seeing the truth. Man should be guided by four options: materialism, practical wisdom, generous human feelings, and scientific discoveries. And the correct answer for this is generous human feelings. If you read the paragraph properly, all the answers are given itself in the paragraph. You don't need to worry about these type of questions. For question 6 to question 10, and the directions for from question 6 to question 10 is that the word with similar meaning you have to choose. Okay, that is synonym. Meaning of hold. What do you mean by hold? So the correct answer is store. इकट्ठा करके रखना. That is hold. D is the correct. Similar meaning of moot. Okay. So the correct answer among these is controversial. Okay. Moot is controversial. Next question is similar meaning of graphic. So what do you mean by graphic? Graphic presentation. What do you mean by graphic presentation? The correct answer is A, pictorial. Graphic presentation is also known as pictorial presentation. Question 9, similar meaning of mere. Okay, among these, similar meaning of mere. If you have a strong command on English language, these questions will be just a cakewalk for you. Okay, the correct answer is complete. And if you do not have a strong command on English, you can read some books for English language. There are many books, as I had told in the previous video also. I have told what to read, what books to refer to in the previous video. on TOELA test in AFMC. If you have not seen that video, go and see. You'll derive a lot of help from that. Similar meaning of eradicate. What is eradicate? We eradicate a disease. So eradicate means the similar meaning word is eliminate. Eliminate or eradicate a disease. Doing this synonyms is and all is that you use the word in a sentence. जब आप sentence में उनको use करोगे, so you will better be able to know the meaning. और फिर आप वो option से compare कर सकते हो. Eradicate a disease मतलब क्या हुआ? Eliminate a disease और ऐसे ऐसे करके आप बाकी sentences देख सकते हो. This is a easier way and shorter way and better way to do synonyms. Okay. Now from question 11 to 13, the directions are that prepositions. Okay. You have to choose. Question 11 is students are laughing dash monkeys. So the correct answer for this is A, at monkeys, at the monkeys. Question 12, Rajesh was the class monitor dash 9 to 10th. Okay, so the correct preposition is from 9th to 10th. These are all given in any English language book. So these all will be given there. These basic guidelines, basic rules for English language will be given in any English language book. Okay. Question 13 is Navneet is better in study dash his friend. So this is a very simple question than his friend. Most of you. Next question number 14 is that, see, this question is a little big question. So this just been told that 1 and 6 are the first and the last parts of a sentence. They will remain constant. Rest बीच के जो चार parts हैं, the rest of the four parts are LMNO. So this is LMNO in the question. L is lying in the center, M is of a day, N is was a port, and O is that our ship halted at. So you have to arrange the sentence in the correct order. Okay, take your time, pause the video, and then answer. The correct answer is CONLM. The correct sequence is ONLM. 15 same he type का question है. The same, you have to do the same thing which you did in the previous question, and the correct answer for this is NLOM. The correct sequence is NLOM. We complete our English comprehension and language वाला section. Now we'll move on to logic and reasoning slash mathematics, जिनमें बहुत लोगों को problem होती है because they think that mathematics वाला section tough होता है. We don't have maths in 11th and 12th. So let's see questions कैसे आते हैं ताकि आपका ये doubt clear हो. The diameter of a copper sphere is 6 centimeter and is melted to form a wire of uniform cross section. If the length of the wire is 36 centimeter, then find the radius of the wire. So this is a very simple question. आपने 10th तक मैंने जैसे कहा था, please go and see the previous video if you want to know what books you have to refer for these types of questions. I have told there. Okay, so इसमें कैसे solve करना है कि whatever shape you make of a metal, कुछ भी बनाओ, so the volume will always remain constant. So the volume of a sphere is, as you know, 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the volume of a so sphere is that, and wire is always a cylinder. Okay, volume is always a cylinder, so the volume of a cylinder will be pi r square h. Okay, so when you equate those two, volume of sphere is will be equal to the volume of cylinder. So here the diameter is given, here the length is given, that is h is given, height, and you have to find the radius. Okay, that will be a very simple question when you know this basic concept, and the answer for this is 0.5 centimeters. 25% of x is the same as 40% of y. The ratio of x to y is, you have to just divide, और the answer is 8:5 because उल्टा हो जाएगा. ठीक है, 40% of y और 25% of x जब उनको डिवाइड करोगे तो 5/8 आएगा, पर अगर उनको हमें इक्वल करना है तो रेशियो जब हम करेंगे तो दैट विल बी 8/5. व्हेन यू डिवाइड दोस दैट विल बी 8/5. The average of the first 10 even numbers, this is a very simple calculation. Add all the first 10 even numbers and divide by 10. The answer is 11. series 3, 6, 6, 12, 9 dash and 12. So this is very simple. You can see 3 into 2 is 6, then 6 into 2 is 12, then 9 into what is the answer. So the answer is 18. So 9 into 2 is 18. The odd one out: sun, moon, Mars, or Earth. So this is also very simple. All of them are parts of the solar system, and moon is a part of Earth's orbit. Okay, so moon is different from the rest. So the answer is moon. Simple, if you know what the trick, what the catch is in this, क्या है इसमें? So if z is equal to 26, then net is equal to 39, then nut is equal to what? So this means that z26 है मतलब they have given particular numbers to each alphabet. So z is the 26th alphabet of English language. So if z is 26, then the rest of the alphabets will be having the same number, like A will be 1, B will be 2, C will be 3, and so on. So if you see, if you calculate, then N will be what number, U will be what, and T will be what. Okay, so N will be 14, T will be, U will be 21st, and T will be 20th. So the answer will be, if you total those, if you add those, the answer will be 55. Are tricky questions. If you take a paper and write it on paper properly, आप ये question बहुत easily solve कर पाएंगे. Just don't get confused, keep your calm and do these questions. Okay, first is introducing a man. A woman said, he is the only son of my mother's mother. How is the woman related to man? Okay, so the woman's mother's mother. Okay, so the grandmother son. Okay, the man is the grandmother's son, so she will be the niece of the man. Okay, niece matlab, so the answer is B, niece. It is, if engineer is related to machine, what is doctor related to? So this is very simple. Doctor is related to disease, क्योंकि engineer machine ठीक करता है और doctor disease ठीक करता है. Is related to shoe, in the same way neck is related to, this is also simple. The answer is necklace. Among five boys, Vasant is taller than Manohar but not as tall as Raju. Jayant is taller than Datta but shorter than Manohar. Who is the tallest? So ये क्वेश्चंस करने का बहुत सिंपल तरीका है. आपको एक रफ शीट दिया जाएगा. रफ शीट में आप सीक्वेंस में लिखते जाइए. 1 2 3 4 5 कीजिए एंड देन राइट. सी वसंत इज टॉलर देन मनोहर. सो वसंत ऊपर आएगा, मनोहर नीचे आएगा, बट नॉट एज टॉल एज राजू. सो राजू विल बी अबव वसंत. So the sequence will become Raju, Vasant, then Manohar. Okay, this is the sequence. Then come on to the next line, which is Jayant is taller than Datta but shorter than Manohar. So यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस क्या आएगा? मनोहर, जयंत, दत्ता. सो कंबाइन दीज टू, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आंसर इज राजू. राजू इज द टॉलेस्ट इन द ग्रुप. Okay, so this is the these are the type of questions that will be asked in the TOELA test. I have given this sample paper so that you are confident कि आप questions कैसे आएंगे, what is expected from you in the TOELA test. ठीक है, ऐसे type के questions आएंगे. Okay, so this video, share it with your friends and everyone so that you can better perform in the TOELA and have a good chance at getting admission at Armed Forces Medical College. Okay, and remember my announcements. We'll be starting the biology MCQ series daily from 5:30 onwards from tomorrow, and I'll be uploading the next two videos, one on psychological assessment test, where to read, क्या क्या पढ़ना होता है, what to expect, one video on that, and the next video following that will be a sample paper for psychological assessment test. Okay, comment in the comment section if you want these videos to be put, and if you want any more other type of videos to be put, also you can comment in the comment section so that it will help you. So all the best guys, take care, don't roam around. All the best for the need, do well.